Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta. Today I've got another teeny tiny Temu unboxing for you. Just one little off the canvas item that I picked up for those of you who enjoy diamond painting accessory items. So we're not looking at a picture that you would hang on the wall here. So we'll get straight inside. I will show you what I've got. I'll tell you what I paid for it. And then you can tell me down in the comments what you think. So let's get inside. Everything. So we've got our diamonds, which have actually been written on with the numbers, which is very nice of them to have done that. We'll go through those in a bit. We've got your standard green boat wax pen, and then we've got the item itself. So okay, so this is like an MDF wood, I would say, like a medium density fiberboard, with a veneer on top, making it look like real wood. And then here we have got our diamond painting. I've chosen this beautiful stained glass effect butterfly, which is going to be all done in special diamonds. It's got a clear protective coat on it at the moment. And on this side we've got our mirror, so which doesn't have any sort of protective coat on it at the moment, I don't think. No. Okay, so the idea after we have diamond painted is that these bits will go here and here. And then we've got our fixings that will go through, and it will hold our mirror like so, so that we can angle it as we want. This is particularly nice for a bedroom mirror, because if you are someone that follows the idea of feng shui, then you're not supposed to have mirrors that face the bed. So having something like this that can be turned away, quite a nice idea. So yeah, I just thought it was really, really pretty. So I think we will have a look at getting this done so I can show you it finished. So in a moment I will pop us over onto time lapse and we can have a go at getting this done, much like I did with the calendar the other day. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it up the top, and then we can come back and see what it's like when it's all done. Before I do that though, I will show you the diamonds, which is these green leaf shapes. I'm going to go into the leaves of the flowers. We've got number 1, it's the pink. 2 is the gold or the peachy colour. 3 is our plain black. 4 is a lilac pink. 5 is a slightly darker purple. 6, like amethyst colour. 7 in a blue. 8 in a royal blue. And then 9 in this pale blue. So I will see you when this is all done. Okay, so we've got the main portion done. I've just got the special shaped drills to go, so I thought I would do that in real time. So these are some lovely green sparkly ones, and I'm going to use a wax placer for this. I just find it easier, but you can use whatever works best for you. I like the wax placer because it's, for me at least, I think it's easier to pick up the special shapes. So far I've been very pleased with the stickiness of the glue. The black drills in particular were lovely and shiny. Really impressed with them, because sometimes with these cheaper kits, the drills can be a little dull. But that is not the case here. We are seeing lovely sparkles and bright colours. Okay, so that's that first row's done. I've got a few leaves down the bottom. Not necessarily the butterfly, but I think the pink roses with the stained glass make me think of Beauty and the Beast. I don't know if you guys agree. If you do or don't, let me know down below. There were a few different designs. If I can grab a screenshot from Temu, I will pop some of the other designs up for you so you can have a look. But there was no way I was not going for the butterfly one. Butterflies are so lovely. And I've always, I don't know, even when I was a child, I've always liked butterflies. We had a lot of butterfly symbology at our wedding. So the place card names, what do you call them? Yeah, the name cards that show everyone where to sit for the dinner. They were all butterfly shaped, and I had butterflies on my dress, and my husband had butterflies as his buttonhole. So yeah, so very much important to us. They obviously represent transformation and change. There's always room for a bit of change in everybody's life. And of course, not only is this a butterfly, but it is in purple hues. And you've only got to look at my channel logo to know how much I love the colour purple. Final couple of clusters of leaves. It is another very sticky, warm day here in the south of England. So I think it's just, I'm going to have to drink plenty of water and keep cool as much as possible. Okay, all done. Right, so this is our mirror all finished, and now I'm just going to put it together so that you can see it fully installed. Got these little dooblies. And they are going to go through here. Do you know what? I'm going to take that out and do it this way. That way I can line up this little hole with that one. I'm going to have got so many fingerprints over the mirror. But once it's all in place, I will be able to words. I'll be able to give it a good clean. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so it's one side done. Other side. So yeah, so it just goes through there. And then find the hole on this side. There. Here we've got our lovely decorative mirror, and then if we wanted to spin it around to the other way, then you can see the mirror slide. And these can be loosened or tightened depending upon what angle you want it at. So that is that all finished up. My final thing to tell you is how much it cost. This was £7.45, although I did get it on a deal, so I paid slightly less than that. And that's always worth remembering with these things. The prices do tend to fluctuate, and if you've got something in your basket with Temu, they are very likely to send you a discount code anyway. So I hope that you've enjoyed yet another little off the canvas item from me. It is one of my favourite things to do in between larger projects, and it's really nice to have something that is usable. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, let me know down below. If you've got any other suggestions for things for me to purchase, please do let me know. I'm always looking for new ideas. And of course, if you want to support the channel, you can do so by liking, sharing, subscribing if you haven't already, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and you can also be a channel member or Patreon. Details for that are down below. It is from just 99p a month. And a big thank you to those of you that already support me as channel members and patrons. I'm going to leave this here. Until next time, stay crafty.